Chris 6 here.
State your name for the camera, please.
My name is McLean Wall, and
this is Jackass.
Jackass. So, welcome. Smash that subscribe button.
Go for it.
Please.
Datsun 290ZX.
290SX, actually.
240Z.
I can't believe you.
What a legend.
We need grease.
You have a grease gun, do you not?
Loop her up. Let's see this baby. Watch out. Let's not do that.
What was that? Your bracket?
It's caught.
What do you mean it's
Pull it
caught?
back.
Pull it. Which
Pull
direction?
It. Pull it. That way.
Down?
That way. Out. It's caught now.
What? Caught on
Now
what?
it's bending my
What do you mean
hatch.
it's caught?
Pull it up.
I just...
Hear that cracking noise?
Yeah, I do that.
That's
Ooh.
my hatch.
We.
The fuck did you do? Make it crack. Why'd you
See that?
Oh God.
shot?
Okay,
Why is
lift
it
it up.
catching?
Lift
Yeah.
it up.
Why is it catching? Pull back and lift up. You're good. Cleared that time. Why didn't it clear the other time?
Because of mouth solution?
Greasing it up. Stroke.
Stroking that shaft.
They're tight.
It's.
This side might not be tight. Greasy fingers.
Good time. You should probably grease your weather stripping too.
I think you should suck my foot.
It's not this on it.
I just
Just
All over it.
just wipe the your entire finger.
Forgetting the backside.
It'll wipe around when you put it down.
Okay, lift it up. Okay, don't do that again. Don't do that again. Shot!
Don't look at me. Why is it doing that?
I don't know, that's really...
Oh my God!
It bent my hatch.
It popped it.
It did that. Pat, you're right. Pretty
Oh,
bad.
it did bend the crap out of that.
That's there. Why is it freaking doing that?
Dude, it cracked the primer all the way along this
It
too.
means it bent the actual thing.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
terrible. And it cracked that. Okay, no more hatch.
No more, take this stupid thing off. Hydraulic.
I'm trying to think why.
Okay, pull it. Let's see it.
Okay, I'm gonna go slow.
It's catching.
Why is it catching?
Because it's bent. I think that thing's putting too much pressure on the bottom or something.
Take it off. Let's see if it's that. Shot.
Just
Why is your shit doing that with my email?
wasn't doing that.
My shiz.
I wasn't doing that before you put the hydraulic on. Is the problem?
That's why I'm not thinking it's my shiz.
It's probably torqued and stripped. Get some vice grip on that, B.
Mm-hmm.
Dude, my fingers are all loogy.
Get some PB blaster on them
Okay, let's see.
or some brake cleaner.
How bad is the dent?
Oh, it's pretty bad.
Not too bad.
It folded your hatch.
Oh, shot, it is.
It folded your hatch. Really bad. And cracked the primer. Well, now you gotta spot primer that. Just don't tell Brian, actually. He's gotta figure out. He'll figure it out. Dude, that sucks.
Okay, well, we gotta open it all the way to take it off, or it's gonna freaking.
What's gonna?
The. It's gonna.
Don't.
Okay, what are you doing?
I'm trying to pull back. I'm not looking up.
That's fine. I didn't do any more damage.
Okay, take it off now.
What 5H is that? Hold it. Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's freaking bad, dude. It looks terrible.
Okay, shut your app.
Can't let that bend it. Okay, go back up.
Yeah, lift it. Okay. We're closing it. Okay, lift it again. Lift it like all the way.
There's resistance.
Okay.
I see why.
Why?
It's loose.
Right there, you see that? Okay.
At play.
Is the bolts messed up or something?
Can't remember this.
I'd rather fix the roof than fix
Hold this.
patch, so. Look at that resistance. I mean the play.
Oh, yeah.
Why is there so much play?
See that, right?
Well, they're supposed to be played, but it's like.
It's like bending the tabs or something.
Okay.
Take
Maybe
it off.
that's, you know what? It's probably because it's not supposed to go that high up.
Yeah, it's only supposed to go like up.
So it's bending the tabs is what the problem is. And they've probably already been bent out so much because we lifted it up this high. You know?
Yeah.
And it's just kind of stuck like that.
That's okay. Don't.
Stop. Don't lift it up any higher.
Stupid lift back on. It's already conked it once.
Don't worry about it.
Because it wasn't in that
It's not
before.
good.
Okay, drop it down. Not far out. We're just gonna do this one.
Is it good?
Pull it down a little bit. Make enough space. Okay, keep pulling. Keep pulling. I think the hatch is bent.
Bad, dude. Come look at it from where I'm sitting.
We should probably just take it off.
The hatch?
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Well, you're gonna get paint in the car.
No, we're gonna take the hatch off and go fix it.
Here, let me see.
I wouldn't do that.
I'm hopping inside.
That's just me though.
No, you can't get it from that side.
How you
One angle you can get it from is right here.
I know, but I'm gonna crawl through it.
Shit is conked.
I gotta have you two lift up on it. Like, lift it off.
Honestly, it was actually like working and great, and then all of a sudden we caught it, and then it ripped.
It wasn't working. All the hydraulic was working okay.
Okay, watch out. Watch out.
You?
Yeah. Dude, why is it so far down now? Now it doesn't even hook into the latch.
I don't know what the flip's going on.
Ready?
Did it have two hydraulics to begin with or just
I
one?
had one.
Ready? Ready?
No.
You need to be, one of you guys, both of you guys need to go on each side.
Okay, Brock, stick it in that crack when I lift it up, straight ahead of your face.
Pull to you. Oh my gosh, that doesn't sound good at all.
I can't. Stick it.
Okay, stick it.
I can't. Right there?
Let's not even touch anything.
Yeah, it is. Go more this way. To the left.
Can't. Wait, you gotta lift up.
You're gonna have that shock.
Okay.
Okay. Look at how far this side is down now. It's like my hatch is ruined now.
What the flip happened, dude? I have no idea. It was working fine 5 minutes ago. Your brackets?
Look at it broken, both welds. Boom, 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 boom.
Okay. I was telling you that the freaking thing was doing both directions. It wasn't just moving one direction.
Okay, so
That's calm. Okay,
No,
well,
we
now
can-
we gotta weld it.
we can bend this right back.
What
out.
if... Well, how do you know which angle you gotta do it on? What if we weld it in some spot?
This one looks intact? That one not so much.
I don't know. Which this
Which
is
one?
right. This is right side.
Yes. Go get me a pair of vice grips.
Don't rip it off.
We're bending it back.
Well, if you bend, this.
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. I thought you were gonna bend the freaking tabs off. I was like, you flipping crazy? Where's those vice grips?
Those are not what I want.
Well, these are all we have. I don't know where those big silver ones are. The brackets the bolts go through, they're like rotted and busted.
Oh, shot.
Yeah, that right there.
Yeah, that's
Welcome to Do It in a Datsun.
Bend your crap in a Datsun.
Oh, shot.
God, that doesn't sound good at all. Is that paint and primer?
Yeah. We'll spot putty that. I mean, bond with that.
So is that why it just pumping itself?
I think so.
Yeah. Do you know how to stick weld?
Yeah.
Or TIG?
I can weld really well with stick. Let's just stick weld it.
Is it gonna be clean? I don't know. Some kids in high school, kids are pacing at least.
Okay. Lift it.
Including me, I sucked at welding, so
It's not as bent as it was before, but
it's pretty bent.
no. Okay. Yeah, we ended up on the tires.
You're gonna weld on that rubber.
I'd rather weld on the rubber than anywhere else. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's just kind of wavy, but that's alright. Okay, we're gonna hook that onto that.
What's wrong with the other one?
Okay. Give me some.
Get your
helmet.
helmet out here.
Don't touch that shiz.
It's not even on. What heat you gonna put to?
It's already set.
It is?
Is it set to the right heat though? Wait till it's set to like way too
Why
hot.
would they change the heat if the stick's already in it?
They what? They only change the heat if the stick's not already in it?
No, why would they change the heat?
For the different thicknesses of metal?
Do you think this thing's just conked?
Well, the bracket itself,
It looks bent.
it looks rusted as shiz and bent.
Just this.
I'm sure if you welded it back together,
If we weld back together and it still doesn't work, we'll just go.
if you weld it, and then I'm sure you can bend
Do you
it.
think I should just flatten these down? Both of them?
No.
Try that?
No, that's way too tall.
What's the factory bend?
We can Google factory bend actually. You're gonna knock your bracket off.
Or freaking shatter my glass.
Yeah. The more you hit it, I'm sure the more you're knocking it loose from the rust of Datsun.
Okay.
Okay, wait a minute.
Keep your eyes closed
I need a glove.
before you die. They're on the floor. Hold my stick.
Is it on?
Yeah. No.
Oh, shot. That's how I got it. This is silk.
Oh, brother.
Oh!
Oh, shot. That's not gonna work. We need TIG.
It's not gonna work.
Oh, it's gonna turn.
I'll make it go down more.
I can't see. Come on, baby.
Strike it.
Can you go down more?
It's not too bad at all. Ew, hit that hole.
I think that was the hole from when it was too hot.
The motor fill it real quick. I love how J-rig we're doing everything.
We're always ghetto rigging this.
That's not bad at all now.
Some idiot in my freaking junior high welding class was welding without goggles. Or he would just go over to the booth, start welding, come out, and start dunk his project. Oh, those aren't bad. I've seen worse. Just kidding. They're pretty good actually for high.
I'd say you want this one too.
Datsun piece? Yeah, no, stick it on that side.
Cooked A. That's what this is. Don't want you to keep yourself with a stick.
I'm getting sunburned in my hand.
Look away before you die. Of the Datsun.
Oh, shot. Come on. Freaker.
Freaking difficult.
This is freaking difficult. Most people ever made. Freaking stick.
You gotta strike that beat.
You can't see me. Oh, why did it...
Don't shake it off.
Oh my god. Come on, buddy.
Get it?
We'll grind that one smooth.
Okay, you got it well.
That one's gotta keep going. Come on, buddy. Oh my god.
That piece on and off.
It's barely even working. I don't know why it works so well.
It just launched a spark. It's because you had a shorter rod. Oh, I just seen a cock.
A cock?
That was a cock in the Datsun room.
Oh, a big chicken?
A big cock. We're gonna go look at that. Big chick. And a big cock. Oh, he left. Never mind. Oh, there he is. That big cock. Orangi. Oh, it's a girl? I don't know my chickens. Hey, Brock, what time is it?
That's hot.
6:13. Why are you going like 7?
I don't know. You gotta hold it away.
I am.
Oh, yeah.
Welding on this phone looks freaking great.
It's not working.
Here, hold on. You got some of it.
Yeah, turn the heat off of it. Let's see.
What, did you turn it down?
Yeah,
Who turned it down?
me.
You.
Just kidding. I didn't touch anything.
Dude, I had it at 57. Last time I looked, it was 40.
Good?
Yes.
You freaking idiot. Oh, lordy. Welding glove and VHT
Okay, now watch over.
Fireproof.
Bring over here. I already got that.
rust resistant.
Sorry.
It sprays hand.
Can I bring it over here?
Until he sprays your Apple Watch. Doesn't matter, it's black.
Okay.
Change the smell.
Over the shoulder look with Brock Lance.
You're touching my ear. Is it hard to play?
No, it's scary.
It's spray paint. You better spray. That's so funny.
I hate you guys so much.
Yeah, we'll pull some Chris
Yeah,
fix
the Chris fix
over my lens.
Look it right up.
Have to buy a new lens.
Okay, let's do this.
You turn the welder. Oh God, fly! Turn the welder off.
Is it still on?
I don't know. I can't tell. Oh, it's off.
It goes on and go.
Make it humming.
Oh, okay. The more you know.
That's not even. That's just basic stuff, Jake.
Well, you never know. They could be silent.
I think you should know.
I think we did pretty good for fixing a stupid.
I think
hatch.
we can say that. Fixed.
I think we can because I freaking kick A at welding.
That was decent. It's not the best.
With a stick?
Dude, people are experts.
People mig it.
Yeah, but
Or TIG it. And I did it with a freaking stick.
I'm sure
So eat my living A.
TIG, you have to do both at the same time.
Yes.
And they're harder. In my opinion. You can make any stick look like okay crap. Besides my stick. My stick welding looks like buns.
Somebody's calling that.
That's heavy.
Or maybe-
Installing the brand new
Well, the,
/ used
what do you mean brand new?
stock OEM. What's it called? Trunk?
It's called a hatch.
Hatch.
What's it called again?
Got Brock in the puss up. Puss up position.
Pussy.
Up.
Rocking the pussy up position.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
Relax, Weenie.
Let's go baseball bat.
That doesn't look bad.
No, it looks the same as it did.
Before we conked it.
You got that? All yours.
Let go! Drop it! What are you doing?
You said let go, drop it.
Okay, let go.
Okay.
No, that's not.
Okay.
What's wrong?
Okay, now drop.
Oh, my fingers. Okay, okay.
Freaking conk.
Make sure that side's lined up with him, too.
Is this side lined up, Brock? Oh, lordy. Welding glove and VHT
Okay, now watch over.
Fireproof.
Bring it over here. I already got that.
rust resistant.
Sorry.
Spray his hand.
Can I bring it over here?
Until he sprays your Apple Watch. Doesn't matter, it's black.
Okay.
Change the smell.
Over the shoulder look with Brock Lance.
You're touching my ear. Is it hard?
No, it's scary.
It's spray paint. You better spray. That's so funny.
I hate you guys so much.
Yeah, we'll pull some Chris
Yeah,
fix
the Chris fix
over my lens.
Look it right up.
Have to buy a new lens.
Okay, let's do this.
Can you turn the welder? Oh God, fly! Turn the welder off.
Is it still on?
I don't know. I can't tell. Oh, it's off.
It goes on and go.
Make it humming.
Oh, okay. The more you know.
That's not even. That's just basic stuff, Jake.
Well, you never know. They could be silent.
I think you should know.
I think we did pretty good for fixing a stupid
I think
hatch.
we can say that. Fixed.
I think we can because I freaking kick A at welding.
That was decent. It's not the best.
With a stick?
Dude, people are experts.
People mig it.
Yeah, but
Or TIG it. And I did it with a freaking stick.
I'm sure
So
TIG,
eat my living A.
TIG, you have to do both at the same time.
Yes.
And they're harder. In my opinion. You can make any stick look like okay crap. Besides my stick. My stick welding looks like buns.
Somebody's calling that.
That's heavy.
Or maybe.
Installing the brand new
Well, the,
/ used
what do you mean brand new?
stock OEM. What's it called? Trunk?
It's called a hatch.
Hatch.
What's it called again?
Got Brock in the puss up. Puss up position. Up.
Rock in the pussy up position.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
Relax, Winnie.
Let's go baseball bat.
That doesn't look bad.
Oh, it looks the same as it did.
Before we conked it.
You got that? All yours.
Let go! Drop it! What are you doing?
You said let go, drop it.
Hey, let go!
Okay.
No! That's not...
Okay.
What's wrong?
Okay, now drop.
Oh, my fingers. Okay, good.
You freaking conk.
Make sure that side's lined up with him, too.
Is this side lined up, Brock?